Meaning of FAO.
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 FAO. FAO stands for Food and Agriculture Organization, which is a specialized agency of the United Nations. It was established in 1945 with the goal of eradicating hunger and promoting sustainable agriculture worldwide. The organization has a mandate to raise levels of nutrition, improve agricultural productivity, better the lives of rural populations, and contribute to the growth of the world economy. FAO provides data and analysis on global food supply and demand, and supports countries in developing policies and programs to ensure food security. Its work spans from research and policy development to emergency response during natural disasters and conflict situations.